Dependable real-time translator. Accurately translate up to 82 languages and dialects in the palm of your hand using the best transcription and translation engines in our library. With frequent software updates, the latest in technology is always at your fingertips. Added privacy. This HIPAA-compliant device comes with pin locks and ability to set timed automatic history deletion. You can translate with the ease of knowing your conversations will be protected. Camera and image translation. Read signs, menus and the written text in a snap. Pocketalk camera takes a photo and the large touchscreen displays translated text directly on top of the image along with an optional audio translation. Translate anytime, anywhere. Pocketalk S comes with a complimentary 2-year LTE cellular data plan for usage in over 130 countries. With wider mobile bands than Pocketalk Classic. Expect improved connectivity no matter where you travel. Note: Internet is needed for translation and it will not work offline. Real-time currency, length, weight and temperature conversion as well as a practice pronunciation mode and added security measure makes Pocketalk the translator of choice, as seen on the cover of Newsweek, Rolling Stones, CNET, Wall Street Journal and many more.